If you want to be paid $30 to $50 repeatedly every 10 minutes, you will adore this new unique method. The money comes in pretty quickly because you have 24 hours to withdraw all of your earnings. The biggest feature of this is that it is completely free, requires no initial payment to use, and is accessible to everyone in the world. Now I'll walk you through exactly how to sign up in 20 seconds for free and show you how to use a secret trick to get 25% more in bonus money. So make sure you watch all the way through. Now after you watch this video, you can start repeatedly earning $30 to $50 in hard cash. Let me explain what this is all about before we go on to the website and before you go on and try it out on your own and sign up so that you can save time, avoid all the mistakes, and be able to withdraw your money. On this platform, you can make money online by doing simple jobs and easy tasks. Everyone is welcome to join because it is 100% free, and I'll show you how to register shortly. Now, let me demonstrate how you can earn money from this website. First, you can sign up on the GPT Planet for free. This is the website, and once more, all members from all nations are welcome. There is no charge for registration. The second step is to open an account so that you may begin earning money by performing easy tasks like watching advertisements. You can also earn money by referring new users to this website. You can cash out your earnings here after completing the job and the task. There are numerous options to pay out your money, including Skrill, NetTeller, Payeer, Perfect Money, a Bitcoin wallet, PayPal, and bank accounts. The best thing about this is that you may start cashing out your money right away and get it within 24 hours, and the minimum cash out is mere $1. It is an extremely quick, easy, and simple process. Clicking on the ads is the greatest way to earn money on this website. By doing nothing more than clicking on something, you can make 1 cent for each click. But yeah, I hear ya. You would think that this amount of money is insignificant, but I'll show you a bonus tip in a moment that will allow you to double your earnings completely automatically. So make sure you don't miss out on this brand new tactic. Again, $1 minimum payout is a lot, and this service offers a wide variety of payment methods. So at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus website that you can refer to others to generate additional bonus streams of income and receive a 100% referral commission. Now let's start by browsing the website. Many active individuals from all around the world are earning money on this website, which you should be able to see after you check into your account. You can see people working and getting paid, and they are extremely open about showing you all of the money they have made from other people. Every 30 minutes, they update and refresh this list. So every 30 minutes, new payment proof is developed, and it's displayed to everyone who is simply withdrawing their profits from this website. Now, you could be thinking right now that the money they're making isn't much. But the website I'm about to show you uses a system that allows you to fast accumulate large sums of money every single day. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now let's go back to the video. The unique feature of this website is that it pays you repeatedly for a small amount of work each time. All you need to do is click on the advertisements, and I'll show you a secret method to increase your earnings. You should be able to notice that when you go into your account that there are numerous different advertisement companies, and you can join them and start clicking to earn money. I therefore click on ads and videos because they are both easy ways to earn money. There are numerous business including legit PTC sites, Paidverts, NeoBucks, Scarlet Clicks, and Optimal Bucks. How do you choose which company to concentrate on when there are so many of them? And how can you tell which one pays you the most cash? Now, many viewers now choose to skip the video. They don't watch the video till the very end. But instead, they immediately visit the website and attempt to sign up on their own. Many of them fail. Even though you can sign up, you might be unsure of what to do once you log into the website. So this is the reason I made this video, so I can save you time and walk you through the process step by step. Now once on the website, you need to identify the companies that pay the most and join them. There are numerous businesses, so some of which are excellent and others that are average. Based on my most recent experience, you should join Paidverts because it is a fantastic company. Given that, Paidverts pays you far more and is unquestionably a legitimate website. You should concentrate on your attention there first. Next, Scarlet Clicks should be your second area of concentration. Ever since this website's launch in 2009, users have received payouts totaling more than $1.5 million. These, in my opinion, are the ideal companies to concentrate on. Now, I want to use Paidverts to demonstrate a real-world scenario. You'll be sent to the page when you click on this. There are numerous of these little boxes in the image that will be displayed to you. Every time you click a box, a new advertisement will be displayed, and you can make money online with each click. Earnings per click are approximately 1 cent. So, how are you going to be able to earn a lot of money on this website if that is such a small sum? Well, the idea here is that every single box you click on can earn you money. When I move my mouse over the boxes, you'll notice that there's a position. I want you to pay attention to this because it includes a number. Now, let me demonstrate. You can see here 1 by 3 when I hover my mouse over this area. Here, it is 10 by 23. In the end, it is 20 by 28. I'll give you an example of how much money you can make by clicking on a single image. So let's use the internet calculator to figure out how much money you can make overall. 20 times 28 times 1 cent for each click. Now you can earn $5.60 by completing this one offer if you click on each one of these boxes. I understand that it may seem a bit confusing at this point, but allow me to briefly explain it to you so that you won't miss this important information. As an illustration, clicking any of these boxes will open a new tab on your website. Here is where they will calculate how many times you click. They will pay you the total amount in your account once you have finished checking all of the boxes and viewing all the advertisements. After completing the task and checking every box, you can receive $5 to $6. They'll unlock a unique bonus for you once you finish checking each box and have opened a new tab. For instance, they'll provide you with some supplementary money-making strategies. As you can see, clicking on these buttons will allow you to make money. You can repeat this as much as you like, because every offer has an extra surprise waiting for you at the end. For instance, once I click through all of these, they'll give me 2 bonuses where I can earn extra cash, but other times they'll give me 5, 10, or even more bonuses, including additional cash bonuses. Your earnings may vary depending on the circumstances. So they may give you 10 cents, $1, $5, or even $10. Compared to offers, the sum of money is different. They'll give you a lot more extra perks and surprises at the end as you complete more and more offers. This is where many people make good money because they do it repeatedly every day. It's the same thing that they keep repeating, and it's really basic, clear-cut, and uncomplicated. I think anyone can do this by just using their mouse to click on these boxes and view the advertisements on this website. Now, as a bonus, I'd like to let you know that this website allows you to earn 100% of any referral commissions. So let's visit gptplanet.com/forum, and you can sign up and join up for free on this website. Now, when you click on the register button, you'll be taken to this page. Just enter your username, password, email address, and confirmation of your password. You can then add all of your payment accounts, such as Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, Litecoin, AirTM, or Dash. Now, if you wish to be paid using PayPal, you can sign up for an account there and get paid by PayPal as well. So once you've completed everything, simply click the blue register button. And after you complete the registration, I'll demonstrate how to visit this forum where you can share various posts and receive additional offers using this bonus approach. Now, on this website, you can share your links, get support from different people, and locate various payment proofs from other users. Like in the Introduce Yourself section as an example. There are several individuals from multiple countries that are actively participating in them. They can get compensated for their work, and they receive 10 to 20 referrals every day, which can result in bonus of $50 to $100. So I'm going to show you an additional tip that will help you earn significantly more money on this website. Welcome to freemouseclicker.com. Downloading and installing free software is possible on this website. You may set automatic settings, and it's entirely free. Now, for instance, they require only one click on particular areas. You can modify the parameters based on the tutorial on this page to change the speed every 1 millisecond and so forth. This is where the magic happens because you can now program the auto clicker to click repeatedly on the same spot, either once here or hundreds of times, because the image's position is set. The auto clicker works so well on this website. Here is where automation may be used to your benefit, and you can accomplish this on a computer or a mobile device. The clicker may be placed exactly where you want it, and you can do it automatically. So here is where you can make money instantly. You want them to click on that certain area repeatedly and sequentially. This is a fresh hidden strategy being applied on this website. And since this is now working so successfully, I'm not sure if the business will hear about the strategy in the future and decide to ban the auto clicker. But you should certainly check this out to generate money online completely automatically, while you can still take advantage of this right now. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.